up, it's Warchief, and today we are going to talk about the touch strip on the Maschine Mk3 Micro. So let's get right into it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell. Ding! Alright, this is the Maschine Mk3 Micro, and we are going to talk about the touch strip right here. There is these four options for the touch strip. There's pitch, mod, perform, and notes. This is effects in Maschine for like groups and stuff, but we're going to go backwards. We are going to start with notes, so we're going to press that, and I have a little like piano set up for you already. And I'm sorry if you can hear my fingers tapping. My mic picks up everything. What's really cool about this notes thing, what you can use as the touch strip is, say you want to hold a chord, so it is very unique. You hit the chord, you lock those notes in, and then the touch strip you can go over starting at the beginning to the end. The last one you hold, or you can go from the end to the beginning, from the last one you hold to the very first one you hold. It is very unique, and I use this a lot, and it is really good for creating good little ideas for in your tracks. I got dog hair all over my Mk3 from Milo. And if you want to, like, say you want to listen to a scale, but not listen, like you're loading up a scale and you don't want to hit all the notes, you can just press notes and start right here and just go really slow. So you could be like this. I went kind of fast, but you get the idea. It's really cool. I like the whole chords thing where you hold the chord and then you can play it after. Very awesome, very unique. I really enjoy it. All right, the next thing is the perform. The perform is, to get to the performs, you're going to want to press shift and then the perform. And then you can use your little wheel right here to go through different effects. Right here is the stutter. I will demo that for you real quick. Very unique, very awesome. I really do enjoy the stutter. There is a bunch of different ones. If you have the Maschine, you can go through them. If you just want to look them up, you can go on the internet and search all the effects they have. They will probably be adding more as they update the Maschine software, and it is a very unique button to put on the touch strip. And I don't normally use the effects for like you use them on your groups in Maschine. If you're a Maschine user, you know exactly what I'm talking about. If you're not, well, that's a different video, or you can just go look it up on YouTube. But anyways, that's the perform effects button, and then the next button is the mod. I don't really want to talk about the mod because every MIDI controller has a mod wheel except for the launch pad that's right here beside me. This does not have a mod wheel. Mod wheel is just usually VSTs have you can use a mod wheel or a volume wheel, like Serum has one on the bottom left corner. I believe FM8 has one. I believe Massive has one in the program, and it just latches on to your controller. Like the Akai MPK Mini 2 has a little jog wheel, like an analog stick, like an analog stick like this. But anyways, that's just awesome that they put this on here, because they figured out how to put a mod wheel without putting an actual mod wheel, and I really give them props for doing that. That is pretty smart to do. And then the last thing is pitch. This is my go-to one to when I get ideas for songs. This is what I've been doing recently. Okay, I'll go to pad mode. I have this guitar. Go to keyboard mode. Okay, this is guitar. It's set in some minor scale. You just feel like you feel like you could be Jimi Hendrix or Eddie Van Halen. It's crazy. And this pitch is so much fun. It's just so fun. Like, check this out. It is just so crazy. It's insane. You can do this with other things. You cannot do it with a piano. You can do it with most stringed instruments. And in this is a Serum preset. It's a guitar preset that I'm using right now, and it actually works in Serum, and then it works in other VSTs too, and that is just incredible. The Machina or Machine software, I call it Machina sometimes, is very unique and awesome. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video, leave a like, comment down below, tell me what you think about the touch strip on the MK3, the big boy or the micro, whatever one you got. I know you're using that touch strip. And then make sure to subscribe, and new songs coming out soon, real soon. And tell me what you guys think about this product. I really enjoy the Maschine line, and it's awesome software and hardware. It's very unique, and have a great week. End.